Hi everyone, welcome back. So we're on day 4 today. This is a leg day. So let's just start moving a little bit and then I'll explain a few things. So if you have a chair handy, that would be great. You can use it for some of the exercises. You may not need it. It just depends on where you're at and if you feel comfortable without it. You need one set of weights, preferably a heavier set of weights, just to really challenge the body and start building some strength. If you're brand new, then just use a light weight, but if you've been with me for a while, then definitely choose a heavier weight if you have it. But let's just swing the arms back and forth, taking a nice deep breath in and breathing out. So ideally do a 5-minute, like a full 5-minute warm up. I have a 5-minute video that I put out recently just to get the body ready for working out and for doing the strength training. So let's just open up the hips a little bit. Let's just stand still and just bring the knee around. And let's do that one more time. And then switching to the other side. And one more. Excellent. Okay, so we're going to get started with the hope that you have done your warm-up beforehand or you've done a cardio workout before, which would work as well. So we're going to start with lunges. I know a lot of people have a hard time with lunges or you don't like them, but if you have no reason, like if you have pain or something with lunges, you have bad knees and you know that they're not good for you, then of course don't do them. And you can just do the sit stance or the squats instead. But if you haven't tried them before, let's give them a try because they are a really good exercise for building strength in the legs. So if you want to grab a chair just for safety or to help out for the first time of doing them, it does make it a little bit easier if you're using the chair because your arm can help a little bit with holding your body weight. And also if you're just learning it, it would be good to have the chair as well. So we're just going to bring one leg forward. And one thing I want you to think about, rather than lunging, you're just thinking of going down. So try to think of bringing your back knee down to the floor. You don't have to touch the floor. You just go as low as it feels good for you and come back up. The other rule is not allowing your front knee to go past that toe. So you don't want to be like this because that's a lot of pressure on that knee. Think of going down and coming back up. The chair is here if you need it, so you can have it for safety, but by all means, if you don't feel you need it, if you're strong enough without it, then don't use it. So let's get started. So we're just going to go down and come up. This is 2, and up, 3. So this is also challenging our balance. 5, 6. We're going up to 10 today. 7. So if you need to stop already, that you feel it's too much, then just stop here and then continue when you can. This is 9 and last one and 10. Good. All right, that's already the one leg done. Let's shake those legs out a little bit and then we'll switch to the other side. So bringing that one foot forward, other foot goes back. So try and have the feet fairly far apart because if they're too close, you're just not going to be able to get that proper form. So get that leg back or that foot back, thinking of going down and coming up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 more, 7, 8, remember going down rather than forward, 9, last one, and 10. Excellent. Okay, so lunges are done. On to calf raise. So if you have the chair handy, that'd be great. It just makes it a little bit easier for doing the calf raise. So some options here. You can do both legs at the same time, which is a little bit easier because both of your legs are holding all of your body weight. If you want to make it a little bit harder, you can do one. So we're just going to tuck the other foot behind, lift up that heel and come down. If you want to make it even harder, you can hold on to a weight in the opposite leg or opposite arm of that leg and use that so it makes it even heavier. Ready? Okay, so choose which one works best for you. I'm going to tuck the one foot behind. We're going to bring that heel up, keeping that leg straight. So the leg that is lifting all of your weight is staying straight. Okay, let's lift and down. We're going to 15 today for this one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now try and get that heel as high as you can. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and last one, and 15. Good. Let's just rotate that ankle, and we'll do the other side as well, just for those of you who have chosen to do the one with both legs and the other direction. Now let's switch to the other side. If you're doing both feet at the same time, you're just going to do that again. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you should be feeling this in the calf by now. 12, 13, 14, and 15. Good. Okay, let's get the chair out of the way. We are going to go on to the deadlifts, which we did the other day as well. So grabbing a weight, bending down as you get that weight, lifting up, feet are shoulder width apart. Okay, so let me just show you one. So going down, bending the knees, having your back flat, and then coming back up and squeezing the glutes. All right, let's go together. So pressing the hips back here, press back, feel that stretch in the back of your legs, come back up, squeeze the glutes. Again, going down and squeeze. That's 2, 3. So remembering to squeeze the glutes as you come up. 4, 5, 6, and squeeze. That's 7, 8, 9, last one, and this time when you come up, squeeze those glutes and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. So putting the weight down, bending your knees as you bring that weight down, and then standing up. So for the next one, we are going to do a fire hydrant. So it's working the glutes. It is a good exercise. It's a tough exercise. We're going to do 10. So we are going to hold onto the wall or hold onto a chair. So what we're doing for this one is we are just bringing the leg bent and bringing it up. So you can see why it's called a fire hydrant. And then we'll switch to the other side. So ready? Let me just show from the sides. If you're holding on to something, you're just bringing that bent leg up and back down. Ready? So bend that leg, going up and staying in that position with that bent leg. That's 1. 2, you can have the hand on your waist if you wish. 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 more, 7, so you can really feel this in the side here, 8, 9, and last one, and 10. Good, let's just shake those legs out. And then let's switch to the other side. So holding onto that wall, getting all your weight on that one leg, bending that other leg, and going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2 more, 9, and 10. Excellent. Okay, that one's done. We've got squats for our last leg exercise, or the sit to stands with the chair, whatever works best for you. And then we'll do one balance exercise and then finish with our plank. So for those of you who like to do the sit to stands with the chair because of safety, or you're not quite comfortable yet doing the squat, that is totally okay. That is still definitely strengthening your legs. So with this one, you are just going down and coming up. One thing I wanted to mention is if you feel like you're kind of flopping into the chair, just really take your time and slow down, and just as much as you can even have your hands there as much as you can, try and go slowly as you come into the chair rather than kind of flopping into the chair. Sometimes it's just a matter of building up more strength. So take your time with that. So don't feel you have to go at the same speed that I'm going at. Go at your own speed, try and focus on being in control and possibly maybe using your hands to help you down. And then when you're ready, come back up, okay? So you're doing that one if you're in the chair. And if you're more comfortable, you can bring your hands up as you sit down and then come up. For the rest of us who aren't using the chair, make sure your hips are really being pressed back to protect your knees. Ready? So sitting back and coming up, squeezing the glutes. And down. And squeeze. 3. And squeeze. 4. 5. Press those hips back. 6. 7. 8. And 2 more. 9. Squeeze those glutes. Last one, and hold that glute squeeze for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Okay, that's it for legs for today. We are starting out slowly. I don't want you being too sore in the beginning in our first week. So we're just getting the legs kind of used to, or all of our body used to the different exercises each day. As you know, each day is a little bit different. And then we can start to get into it a little bit more as the weeks go on. So let's do a balance exercise, which is also a strengthening exercise. Putting all of your weight on the one leg, raising that knee to whatever height that you're comfortable with. So maybe it's just like this, maybe it's bringing the knee all the way up, whatever works best for you. Raising your hands up to challenge that balance, and we're gonna go for 30 seconds. Let's go. So if you find that you need to bring your knee down a bit because it's just too hard to hold that knee up, that's okay. We're working on balance here as well, or that's the main goal here, but it is also to strengthen the leg that is holding us. Taking a nice deep breath in and breathing out. And we're almost done. And bring that leg down. Let's switch right away to the other side. Keeping that knee up as much as you can. So after this, we just have the plank and you're done for today. So ideally do a cardio workout after and finish with some stretching. With most of my cardio workouts, I do include a stretching component as well. So you'll get everything in that you need to get in for that workout. And bringing that leg down. Good, excellent. All right, let's go into the plank. For those of you who need to, you can use the wall for the plank. So if you're using the wall, let me just show you quickly. I did have someone ask if I could show an example. So just have your hands on the wall, feet are as far back as you can bring them, and you're just trying to have your body in a straight line. For the rest of us, we are going to get onto the floor. All right, so getting onto the floor, having our hands slightly forward, not right under the shoulders, but slightly forward, making sure that your bum is down. You don't want it sticking up, but you also don't want to be drooping like this. So try and have a straight line, and let's hold for 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Good, bring your knees back in or going onto your hip, and then we'll stand up again. And that is it. You're done day 4. I will hopefully see you tomorrow. Let's just do a few leg stretches If you're going on to a cardio workout, you can stop here and you can go on to that cardio workout and do the stretching after. Or of course you can join me for the little bit of stretching that we'll be doing now as well. So let's just bring that foot up, trying to bring the knee close to the other knee. If you can't hold your foot in this way, you can either hold the back of your shoe or use a towel to hold that foot up. So pulling the foot back as much as you can to feel that stretch in your quad. Taking a nice deep breath in and breathing out. And let's switch to the other side. Trying to remember to keep that knee close to the other knee. Again, focusing on a nice deep breath and breathing out. Excellent. Okay, let's bring that one foot back, pressing into that back heel. So every week is going to get a little bit more challenging. So if you find that these are easy, I will be making it harder, but within reason as well. So we'll be taking our time to move up. And let's switch to the other side. And we'll just finish with one more stretch after this one. We'll do a calf stretch and then you'll be done. Okay, bringing the toes up, feeling that in your calf. And then switching to the other side, bringing those toes up. And coming out of that stretch. And now you're completely done. Okay, go on to a cardio workout if you can. I will attach some to the end of the videos just to give you some suggestions on different ones that you can do depending on how you're feeling. Have a great day, everyone. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.